in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to use Grok AI to generate videos for free. So if you are searching for how you can create videos for free, this video is for you. I just found a new AI tool that gives you access to Grok AI, and you can use it to generate videos for free. And without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can use this AI tool and be generating videos for free. Let's get started. Now, this is the AI tool we are going to be using for today to create our own video. This is the AI tool. So let me take you guys back so that you are going to see, get access to the AI tool for free. So this AI tool is for free. You don't need to pay or do anything. So I'm going to show you how you are going to get access to this AI tool and how you can use it to generate video. So this is the name of the AI tool here. As you can see, this is the name up here. But please, before you start to click on it and start generating video with it, make sure you pay attention and watch this video, because if you do not watch this video, you may try it and it will not work for you because you will not know how to use it. I'm going to show you how we are going to use the AI tool. So when you enter the name of the AI tool, it's going to open like this. And when it opens on your Google Chrome, just search for the name of the AI tool and you are going to see it. So just come down here and you are going to see where it says start creating. But first, when you check here, it says create stunning videos with AI in a second. So as you can see, special offer unlimited video generation. So now just come down to where it says start creating. And when you tap on start creating, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you are going to see VEO, see ByteDance, Clinks AI. You can see a lot of AI tools. All you need to do right now, we want to use Grok AI. So you can also see Grok 30 seconds. So you can create video with 30 seconds using Grok here, as you can see. Now our model here is Grok. If you want to change it here, you just tap it and you can change it. Right now it's on Grok. If you want to use other AI tool, you can just select the AI tool here. Like right now, we want to use Flow. We have changed it to Flow. As you can see, it has changed here. If you want to use Grok, you put it on Grok. So right now we are using Grok to test it. Now our model is on Grok, and if you want to also select Grok 30 seconds, you can also do that. If it is 30-second video you want to generate, just click on 30 seconds. Now, but we want to start using this one for free. So the next thing, this is where you can upload your image. If you have reference image you want to use, like if you are creating storytelling videos and you want to upload your image, you can upload any image here. And if you want to do just put your prompt, you can just put your prompt here, and after putting your prompt, you click on I understand that this here. As you can see, you click on it. After clicking on this, you can select your aspect, your resolution here. As you can see, aspect ratio, landscape, portrait, anyone you want to select, and your resolution here. Your resolution, you bring it to standard or high, which is 720p, and your video duration, you put it in 10 seconds or 8 seconds, and the next thing you click on generate. Now, as you can see, say this generation will cost you 0 credits. So for those of you that will say they want to generate and it asks them to pay, let's try it together and see how it works. Let me go and copy my prompt and I'll paste my prompt here, and you guys are going to see how to generate videos from this platform for free. So after getting your prompt, the next thing you are going to do is just paste your prompt here. So let me paste my prompt, and after pasting my prompt, I will select landscape, which is 16:9. So after we put it in high, our resolution in high, then our duration, we can leave it 10 seconds of 6 seconds. So I'm going to put it in 10 seconds, and after putting it in 10 seconds, the next thing I'm going to click on generate. As you can see, say this generation will cost 0 credits, and when you click on generate, it's going to start generating your video for you. So this is another AI tool. Again, this one is just like a free bonus. Also, you can go and check out this AI tool. Also, as you can see, this is the name here. Also, this is the name of the AI tool you are seeing right here. So after you check out the name, you can also start using this AI tool. Also, this is just like a free bonus before we generate that video. So let me show you guys this one. Also, you can also use this AI tool. As you can see, you can also use it to generate video. So go and search for the name of the AI tool also, and you check the AI tool. You can also use it to generate videos for yourself for free. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys in our next video.